Hello guys, my name is Engineer Want to quickly solve these four questions. It's answered. A stone will round at the end of a rope, radius what? 30 centimeter. Because they say 30 centimeter long. Next what? 5 revolutions. That frequency is given as 5 revolutions per second. So find the what? The speed. Remember, velocity is equal to what? 2 by what? FR. I give you this formula for. To convert this one to meter, you are going to have it as what? 0.3 meter. So we go ahead. Let's put our parameter. They have 2 pi times frequency is what? 5 times what? 0.3. So what do we have as our final answer there? We have 2 pi times what? 5 times what? 0.3. We have 3 pi what? Meter per second. You can see give it our decimal point, which was 9.424 meter per second. Number 2 says what? A car of mass 1.5 what? Times 10 to the power 3 turn around a circular road of radius what? The mass is what? Given as 1.5 times 10 to the power 3. Radius is what? 20 meter. If the coefficient of friction between the car and the road is what? Mu is what? 0.5. You say what? How fast? Fast is talking about speed. How long is time? How fast is speed? How far is distance? So V square over RG equal to mu. Remember, without skidding. So this one will be V square equal to mu RG. Where V equal to what? Square root of what? Mu RG. What do we have? We have V equals to what? Square root of 0.5 times 20 times 10. Our G is taken as 10. So when we press calculator there, we are going to have square root of 0.5 times 20 times 10. And that will give us what? 10. The square root of the answer, square root of 0.5 times 20 times 10. So that would give us 10 meter per second. That will be our answer there. Next question says a particle will turn around a circle with acceleration of 5 meters per second towards the center of the circle. So A is given as 5 meters per second square, but towards the center of circle of radius what? What radius is what? 5.9 meters. It says find the angular what? Velocity in rev per what? Per minute. Now let's see. A equal to what? Omega square what? R. That is the formula for A. Now it can also be what? Omega what? V or V square over R. That is centripetal acceleration. We can write this one as 2 pi n over 60. Here this one will now be rev per minute. Don't forget, all square times R equal to A. So that means n will not be in rev per minute there. So what do we do now? We say A is 5 into bracket 2 n in rev per minute over 60 all square times what? What is our radius there? Our radius is given at 5/9. So play with it. Now we divide both sides by what? 5/9 first. Divide both sides by 5/9. 5/9 is equals to what? 2 pi or 4 pi square n rev per minute square over 3,600. So because we have divided both sides by this 5/9 to take this one away from here. So this is what we are going to have. This we divide both sides. Now what we are going to have next is what? How we can make what? How we can make n the subject of formula. And that will give us what? Please, let's continue from here. Or let me continue from here so that it's close. I can follow up. So Let's continue solution from here. So these are give us what? 45 over 9 go up over 5 is equals to what? 4 pi square times n revolution per minute square all over 3,600. This one cancel, we are going to have 9 plus multiply. We are going to have 9 times 3,600 equal to 4 pi square times n what square. So the Bible said by what? 4 pi square. So this one will give us what? Okay, let me leave it like that. So n square in rev per minute will now be equal to 9 times what? 3600 over what? 4 pi square. Take square root of both sides. Take square root of n equals to what? Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 3,600 is 60. Divided by 2. Square root of what? This is square root of 4 is what? 2. Square root of pi square is pi. So I'm going to have what? 2 year 1, 2 year 30. So I'm going to have 90 over pi. What? Rev per minute. So that is what I want to have as our answer there. The next one says what? Calculate the force to keep a mass in what? Horizontal circle of radius what? 0.5 of what? Now, this question is incomplete. Calculate the force. We are not given mass in this question. So in this case now, we cannot actually solve that question because mass must be given. If you check the question well, you see that they're supposed to give us mass. Then if mass is not given, it means something is wrong somewhere. Okay? So it's not just it's not just for us to be solving, but we should know what we are doing. Now, the question says that what? Said calculate. Okay. Let's leave that question because I cannot find the right way, so I will not be wasting our time and energy on such question. But let's see this one when you get. Let's see this one. He said a racing car travels what? Around a circular race that has a what? A radius of 100 what? Meter. If the car travels what? With a constant speed, of 100 kilometer per hour, find the what? The magnitude of what? The acceleration. Of the centripetal acceleration. See, when you want to solve this question, what I will advise you to do is very simple. Just convert this one to 1 to meter per second. Radius is given. Use your what? V square over R to solve it. Convert this one what? It's very simple question. I don't think I should solve that question for you. Just solve the question and tell us your answer in the comment section. Tell us your answer in comment section. Then they say what? Okay, I've seen that question again. They say calculate the force necessary to keep the mass of 0.2. To keep the mass of 0.2. Keep mass of 0.2 kilogram. Mass is given 0.2 kilogram in a horizontal circle. Of 2 kilogram, 0.2 in a horizontal circle. So that is what the question. In a horizontal circle, circle of radius 0.5. Yes, that is what is missing. I think that was why I could not solve the question. So now we have gotten it to calculate the force. Force equal to what? mv square over r. This is our last question, so that we can end it for today. So this one now was what? 0.52 times what? What is our velocity? Our velocity is what? 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, period is given. So if period is given, therefore, no need to, well, since they give us period. So what I want to do now is to say n equal to p, velocity is equal to 2 pi r over t, all what square. I mean, velocity alone is 2 pi r over t. Then square it, divide by what? By r. I think what I want to have is what? M 4 pi square r square over t. But there's an r under, so to cancel this one. So I want to have just, so that is the formula we are going to apply now quickly. I'm going to apply that formula quickly. So just be what? At centimeter acceleration will not be what? 4 pi square m r over t square. This one should be t square because of that. So we put it there. So 4 pi square times, what's our mass? 0.2. What's our radius? Radius is 0.5. Divide by, the period is given, so they don't need to give you velocity. So you have the 0.5 square. So this one will now give us what? Final answer. 4 into pi square times what? 0.2, which is mass, times 0.5 radius. You know, this one of these radius has cancelled one of this one. So please, those of you that don't understand that, plus 0. Divide by 0.5 square. So I want to have it as what? This centimeter force. So that will give us what? 15.791 Newton. So we have calculated the necessary what? Force that will be required to what? To keep the body in that horizontal circle. We are giving mass, we are giving radius, and we are giving period. Such formula applies this. Now don't forget to what? To take note of all this now. If you forget, then centimeter force is equal to mv square over r, is equal to mw square r, is equal to m what? Wv. The centimeter force is equal to m what? 4 pi square m r over t square is equals to what? And so forth and so on. So that is just that. So I believe you enjoy the class, and ensure you subscribe to the channel to watch more of our video. Thank you. God bless you.